Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. Today I'd like to show it to you how you can get back the YouTube old layout, because as you can see the new one is very worst, and today on 9th of March 2018 they just removed it permanently, because it is to show below here. As you can see below the restricted, it is to show like this way, restore classic YouTube, but the button is not there. They just removed it. Even I was shocked too by seeing this. I don't even know why they removed it, but we have a solution how we can get it back. Okay, so I found it on Reddit, posted by this guy, so shout out to this NDOGW. So he did a great work, and for this we need an extension called Tampermonkey. I already tried on Opera and it worked very well. Now let me just show it to you on Firefox. You can also try on Chrome, even Safari too. Okay, so let me just go ahead to Google and download the extension first of all. There we go. Firefox. Add it to Firefox. Downloading done. Add it. Okay. There we go. Okay, now it's showing, as you can see. So we need to go to the dashboard first of all. Let me just got this out. Here, as you can see, this is the Tampermonkey. Go to dashboard. Then the interesting part starts. Okay, as you can see on the right post, this is the script we need. Okay, so copy from here to here. There we go. Now on Tampermonkey you have to just edit. How we can edit? As you can see, the plus button, just click on it, and now just select all, paste it, paste the code which you copied from here, from the Reddit. Then we have to save it, so Control S. That's it. Operations completed successfully, as you can see, and it's enabled. It says YouTube Polymer disable. Okay, now let me just close this out and then go ahead to YouTube. As you can see, this is the new layout, and now let's refresh. Come on. Okay, there we go guys. As you can see, it just worked very well, and in the up it says disable polymer equal 1. And yeah, this is how we got the old YouTube layout, and it's working nicely. You can just check it even in the more settings too. There we go. Bam, it just worked. Okay, and now I'd like to show it to you another way, as I said before. So there is one more way, but that is not the great, because it used to just change everywhere, not only in YouTube. Even I checked on Facebook, it just made it worse and worse. So I prefer to use only this method, but still I will show it to you the second one. Then just go ahead to Chrome. As you can see, it's in the new layout. So now we need an extension. It's called User Agent Switcher, and yeah, you can get this on Safari, even Opera, and also on Firefox too. Okay, so let me just download this one. Come on. Okay, so User Agent Switcher for Chrome. Edit. Alright, done. Close this out, and now go ahead to the User Agent Switcher and then click on Internet Explorer, then select 10. Okay, that's what you got it. Now you're gonna see the difference. No thanks. Alright, that's what you got it. But this is not that great, as I said before, because this makes even worse and worse to the other sites too. But still, you can make it work if you are comfortable. Okay, so but I prefer to use the first one, which is from the Tampermonkey. This is the most comfortable one if you're gonna do the Tampermonkey. Okay, these are the two solutions how to get it back, the YouTube old layout, which is the classic one. So this is it guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, just like this video, and also please share this video to your friends, even they can get it help too. Okay, and also please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Alright, see you later. Thank you for watching this video, and goodbye. Have a nice day. Links are in the description guys.